Ever wondered what it would be like to spend a week in Cambodia? Welcome to a country woven with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and exquisite cuisine. Cambodia, a land where ancient temples whisper tales of bygone eras, and vibrant markets hum with the rhythm of daily life. Our journey begins in Siem Reap, renowned for the majestic Angkor Wat, and tantalizes our taste buds with fish amok, a classic Cambodian delicacy. We then venture into the walled city of Angkor Thom and the temple swallowed by nature, Ta Prohm. Our adventure continues in Battambang, home to the unique bamboo train and the haunting killing caves of Phnom Sampho. From there, we travel to Phnom Penh, the bustling capital city, and make our way to the tranquil beaches of Sihanoukville. A smorgasbord of experiences awaits us as we traverse this captivating country, from its historical landmarks to its mouth-watering street food. Join us on this incredible journey as we explore the heart and soul of Cambodia. Arriving in Siem Reap, our adventure begins. The city, known as the gateway to the ruins of Angkor, welcomes us with open arms and the promise of a beautiful journey. There's an air of anticipation as we step into the heart of Cambodia, a country rich in history and culture. Our first taste of Cambodia comes in the form of fish amok, a classic Cambodian dish savored for lunch. It's an unforgettable combination of tender fish pieces cooked in a rich, creamy coconut milk sauce, seasoned with a unique blend of Khmer spices. The flavors dance on our tongues, offering a perfect introduction to the culinary delights that this country has to offer. With our stomachs filled and spirits high, we turn our attention to Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. This ancient temple complex, with its intricate stone carvings and towering structures, is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Khmer Empire. As we wander through the labyrinth of halls and courtyards, we marvel at the grandeur and beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The exploration doesn't end with the setting sun. As dusk falls, we find ourselves drawn towards the vibrant Angkor night market. It's a sensory overload, with the air filled with the enticing aromas of street food, the sound of lively chatter, and the sight of colorful stalls selling a variety of local crafts and souvenirs. We sample some of the local delicacies, each bite revealing new flavors and textures, making our taste buds yearn for more. In the midst of all the hustle and bustle, there's a moment of quiet reflection. We think about the day that has passed, the experiences we've had, and the memories we've made. It's been a day of firsts. Our first taste of Cambodian cuisine, our first glimpse of the magnificent Angkor Wat, and our first experience of the vibrant night market. As the day ends, the memories of Siem Reap stay etched in our minds. The city has offered us a glimpse into its soul, and we can't wait to explore more of what this beautiful country has to offer. As dawn breaks, we set off to uncover more of Cambodia's treasures. Our journey continues in Siem Reap, where the ancient walled city of Angkor Thom awaits. Steeped in history and shrouded in mystery, this vast city is a testament to Cambodia's rich past. Each stone, each carving tells a story that takes us back to a time long forgotten. As the morning exploration ends, the enticing aroma of beef lok lok calls us for lunch. This flavorful Cambodian stir-fry, with its tender chunks of beef and tangy lime pepper sauce, is a delight for the taste buds. Each bite is a celebration of Cambodia's culinary heritage. In the afternoon, we delve deeper into the heart of Cambodia, with a visit to Ta Prohm, the temple engulfed by tree roots. This mesmerizing site is a poetic blend of nature and architecture, a symbol of the power of the natural world over human creations. As the sun descends, we find ourselves captivated by the ferry, the Cambodian circus. This is no ordinary circus. It's a vibrant display of Cambodia's artistic spirit, with acrobats, jugglers, and musicians performing breathtaking feats that keep us on the edge of our seats. The next day, we bid farewell to Siem Reap and embark on a journey to Battambang. The countryside unfurls like a patchwork quilt of lush green fields and serene villages. Upon arrival, we savor krailan for lunch, a unique bamboo sticky rice with beans, a local delight that's both hearty and delicious. In the afternoon, we explore the Pharaponlo Selpak Circus School, where young Cambodians learn the art of circus. Their determination and talent shine through every flip, juggle, and balancing act, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Cambodian people. As the day draws to a close, we find ourselves strolling along the tranquil Sangkar River, soaking in the beauty of the city. The hum of conversation fills the air as we dine at a local restaurant, celebrating another day of discovery in this enchanting land. Battambang paints a picture of Cambodia that is both intriguing and compelling. The journey continues, with each day revealing a new facet of Cambodia. As dawn breaks on the fourth day, we find ourselves hopping onto the bamboo train, a unique, rustic railway experience that is quintessentially Cambodian. The open-air ride, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a raw, unfiltered view of the countryside. Lunch is a delightful encounter with numban chok, a traditional rice noodle dish. It's a symphony of flavors featuring fresh herbs, fish gravy, and hand-pounded rice noodles, a testament to Cambodia's culinary tradition. The afternoon unfolds with a visit to the killing caves of Phnom Sampho. This haunting location, steeped in history, offers a sobering glimpse into the country's past. It's a stark reminder of the resilience of the Cambodian people, their struggle, and their survival. As evening descends, we immerse ourselves in the local culture with a traditional Khmer dinner. The cuisine, abundant with fresh ingredients and aromatic spices, tells its own tale of the land and its people. On the fifth day, we journey to Phnom Penh, the capital city of Cambodia. The city, with its bustling streets and towering buildings, offers a stark contrast to the serene countryside we've left behind. Lunch is a flavorful encounter with lok lok, a popular beef stir-fry dish. Marinated in a tangy, savory sauce, the dish is a delightful explosion of taste that leaves us craving for more. The afternoon is dedicated to exploring the Royal Palace and Silver Pagoda. These architectural marvels, with their intricate designs and shimmering golden spires, are a sight to behold. Steeped in history and culture, these regal structures offer a glimpse into the grandeur of Cambodia's past. As night falls, we discover the vibrant street food scene along the Mekong River. Each stall tells a different story, each dish an adventure in itself. Phnom Penh, with its vibrant energy and regal charm, beckons us to explore further. And so, we look forward to the next day, ready to uncover more of Cambodia's hidden gems. Our Cambodian journey is far from over as we delve deeper into the country's past and present. We continue our exploration in Phnom Penh, where history stares back at us from every corner. Our day starts with a visit to the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum, a haunting reminder of Cambodia's tragic past. The museum, once a high school turned into a prison, is a testament to the atrocities of the Khmer Rouge regime. It's a heavy morning, but it's an essential part of understanding Cambodia's history. To lighten the mood, we indulge in a local favorite for lunch, lap Khmer. This spicy, lime-marinated Khmer beef salad is a burst of flavors, a refreshing change after the morning's somber visit. The afternoon takes us to the Chung Ek killing fields, another poignant site that pays tribute to the victims of the Khmer Rouge. It's a day of reflection and remembrance, and we close it with a peaceful dinner by the riverside, the city's lights twinkling in the calm waters of the Mekong River. The next morning, we embark on a journey to Sihanoukville, a vibrant coastal city. Our taste buds are treated to kadam cha, a flavorful crab dish, a must-try when you're this close to the sea. Post-lunch, it's time to unwind on the beautiful beaches of Sihanoukville. The golden sand, the azure waters, and the gentle sound of waves make for a perfect afternoon. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange, we indulge in a fresh seafood dinner by the shore. The day ends on a high note, the taste of sea salt still lingering on our lips, the sound of waves echoing in our ears. As our journey comes to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for Cambodia and its resilient spirit. From the ancient temples of Siem Reap to the bustling streets of Phnom Penh, from the tragic reminders of its past to its promising future, Cambodia has shared with us a piece of its soul. And for that, we are forever grateful. A week in Cambodia feels like a lifetime of experiences. Each day has been filled with unique encounters, from the awe-inspiring Angkor Wat to the enchanting ferry circus and the ancient city of Angkor Thom. The journey has taken us through the bustling streets of Siem Reap, the serene Sangkar River in Battambang, to the dynamic capital city, Phnom Penh. We've tasted the heart of Cambodian cuisine, such as the classic fish amok, the hearty beef lok lok, and the exotic kadam cha. Our hearts have been moved by the poignant history encapsulated in the Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum and the Chung Ek killing fields. We've felt the rhythm of life in Sihanoukville, with its beautiful beaches and fresh seafood. Each experience has enriched our understanding of Cambodia, its history, culture, and most importantly, its people. Cambodia, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and warm people, has made an indelible mark on our hearts. Until next time, farewell.